Let me tell you how my friend Austin made $18,419 on his first real estate deal with zero money out of pocket in less than 90 days. Okay, so almost everyone thinks that you need money to get into real estate investing, and I know from personal experience that is not the case. So let me tell you a quick story that is super recent, less than a year old, on how my friend Austin was able to do his first real estate flip with literally zero money out of pocket, and then make almost $20,000 profit. That's profit, not gross, in less than 90 days. So what happened is me and Austin are good friends at the time, just over a year ago, and he's been my realtor, and he brings me a deal that he wants to do a flip on market, and he's like, hey Dan, let's do this flip. It looks like a good deal, and we can make probably $40,000 profit on this. And so he comes to me and he's like, hey man, I'll do all the work and you just put up the money, okay, to buy this house cash and fund the rehabs. I'll do everything. This is Austin, and you just put up the money, and in about 60 to 90 days we'll have turned this place and we'll both be able to make a nice profit. So I look at the deal with him. A $60,000 house needs about $40,000 worth of work. He thinks it'll be worth $135 to $140 when it's done. And so look at it, assess the risk, and this is my first flip as well. And so ended up, I was like, hey, we worked it out. Looked like it was a very clean house, very simple, small, not a lot that could go wrong, just due to the size and the construction and everything. So I said, what the heck? And worst case, we still have a $60,000 house. We're not really losing any money if we take the risk. I need to get into flipping. And so Austin was like, let's do it. So we go ahead and pull the trigger, buy it. And long story short, Austin runs the job, does a really good job. I help him get some contractors and things like that. He puts it all together, does all the work. I'm still working my 50-hour a week full-time job. And sure enough, we get done with the project, get it appraised for 136. And so right in the ARV range that we thought. And then we go ahead and refinance that out. And Austin had to pull literally $0 out of his pocket and made 50% of the upside, splitting it with me. And his cut of that was $18,419. So that is how you can get into real estate investing and flipping with literally $0 out of your pocket. Because if you're doing, some kind of job, he made almost, almost $5,000 a month when you average it out. And it didn't take him, it was probably part-time work at that point, to be honest. So that's how you can quickly get into real estate investing with no money out of your pocket and start flipping today.